Sup fellers, how's it going? Danny here, and what does that mean? What's the meaning of these words? It means it's time for some experiments. As we usually say, a nut job invented, attempted one made. In this video, we're making Skittles Flavored Moonshine. We had this thing here in Russia in late 90s, Skittles vodka. It's when you put each color in a separate cup and mix it with vodka. I want to go a bit further and make moonshine with just a nice Skittles whiff. It will be all clear and won't taste like candy, just a whiff, like Swedish Absolute vodka. Technology now is a bit more complicated. We have this jar. This one's a reflux condenser or steam dome. All the concentrate stays there. The pipe is in until the middle. Can't show you though, the whole thing is non-separable. So vapor goes there and turns into water due to the temperature. Right here, this one's a bubbler. The pipe, as you can see, goes all the way down, sinking in the liquid. Next, this one's a cooling chamber. Not gonna touch it, I don't want to fuck up the pipes. The vapor cools down and condenses. I think we'll succeed on the first try since we're using vodka. This vodka is called Russian Holiday. $3 per bottle. A classic choice of a Russian bogut. That is why we're using a reflux condenser to separate hearts from heads and tails. Though I think this hobo juice is heads and tails and 4 shots. Let's not pull the cat by its hairy sack and get it on. Alrighty. Vodka. As we all probably know, vodka is 40 degrees wicked. Let's pour it in here. To make it right, we need to dilute this drink of gods until it's 20% alcohol. And fucking hell, the smell. So, to dilute it, we add 1 liter of water. Okay, distillation cube is loaded. Let's connect the condenser. These are yummy, by the way. That's where chemistry kicks in. I'd like to drop a chemistry joke, but there will be no reaction. Can you feel it though? Chemistry stuff kicks in for real with all these. The bubbler goes here. This thing is, in our country, it's called lapping to seal things tight. Good stuff. There we go. In cooling chambers, function is pretty obvious. The liquid goes in counter current, condenses, and goes down. To heat the party up, I'll use the regular hot plate here. Also, I've noticed that to reach desired strength, you don't really need to bother about the temperature. Of course, if you want to separate the hearts from heads and tails, it's important. But if you just want to make moonshine with higher alcohol strength, don't bother that much. It is 100 degrees strong right now. Let's put it through one time to get 40 degrees. Merge, cleanse, dilute, and put through again to make it 60. I've measured it with 2 different hydrometers, and they're both showing 60. Alright, here it goes. Once the vapor starts to appear, I'd suggest to lower the temperature down a bit. It's around 90 degrees right now. Now we connect these together. It's fucking hot already, by the way. The first pipe goes in, and we can see the first drops along with the vapor. Our candy will just sit here and dissolve, then continue to the cooling chamber through the pipe, condense, and turn into booze. Yay! It's all done now, and it's still freaking hot. Now, all in all, we've got some amount of product. It went all murky at the end, so I decided to keep it separated. I don't know why though, maybe because the sugar started to sneak in. That's how the bubbler looks like now. A bit of some crab meat looking stuff at the very bottom, and a Skittles grog in the middle. Whoa, fucking hell, it smells like someone just chewed up all the candy in the country and spat it back here. The end product I've poured in this awesome carafe for some special occasion, of course. What can I say about the smell? After smelling the bubbler, I can't feel anything anymore, but It doesn't smell like hobo juice anymore, like this distinctive and disgusting smell of cheap booze. I can't smell neither booze nor spirits, just Skittles. How strong is it now? Hydrometer says 75. Whoa, 75 degrees moonshine that doesn't smell like spirits, doesn't smell like booze. Smells like candy. So here we have an alco potion. 2 bottles of vodka, minus heads, minus tails. That's pretty fucking cool. In the meantime, while the booze was going back and forth, I made this cork out of stabilized wood. I think it was balsa if I remember it right. In one of the videos on my main Russian channel, we were stabilizing it and painting it in different colors. Fits in here just fine. Colored candy booze needs a colored cork, hey? That's how it goes. Let's talk a bit about its gastronomic qualities. The taste? Well, the aftertaste is what I expected. Candy on the exhale. Dmitry, what's up? I can't accompany you though, my liver is in hell already. He's very experienced. Grabbed a pukey bucket already. Okay, what can you say? Pretty good, yeah. It's 75 degrees strong. Want me to make it 40 for you?
Pretty good, yeah,
a chaser?
Pretty good.
How do you feel?
Pretty, yeah.
Like,
warm.
like burning warm?
Burning sensation in my chest.
Want some more?
No.
Thank you, Dmitry. So there you go. Did not even need a pukey bucket. And that what makes me think that a bubbler is a top-notch for a moonshiner. You can put different stuff in there. Dried fruit, various candy, caramel, cola-flavored stuff if you want it to smell like Coke. It really tastes like absolute vodka, only it's 2 times stronger. I like this technology, it's as cheap and the end product is quite nice. It's like worth $5-6 if you use Russian Holiday. And this substance is still usable as well. You can make like 10 liters of moonshine. I even think that 1 sachet of Skittles would have been enough. So let's call it $3. Sugar, yeast, puzzle out the technologies we will show and we will explain. As usual, there's a lot of interesting stuff to do. That's it. Put your thumbs up and subscribe and all this crap. Danny signing off. Go, get lost. I still have like stuff to do. And yeah. Just go, please. See you later. See you later, alligator. See you later, well-looking and well-dressed waiter from the restaurant. See you later, I don't even know what to say. It all sounds freaking corny. See you later, like you know, when older guys try to look young, they dress like they're skateboarders for some odd reason. See you later, overweight, out of shape, good for nothing, lazy, 40 years old skater.